So today I'm going to be talking about database. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this case, we are going to talk about an event management system database that I tried to work on as it was on our database project. So as you can see in the slides, this is from Barrow University of Science and Technology. So yeah, let's right into it. Okay, so the database is about event management, but let me give you a simple recap of everything. So, you know how important database is in our lives. It's critical and helps users' life. It makes IT solutions easier, keeping files and records in one bunch, in one block, so that we don't have to keep on looking around for files and keeping things in hardware. So we make databases for them so that they can keep the records and can be, easily retrieved and easily, updated. You know how databases work. So that is it. And for my project, I used MariaDB in WAMPServer for its implementation. So the industrial background, why I am trying to make this database, because looking at Uganda's entertainment industry, we have so much going on in the country, in the basis of industrial entertainment industry, that we need to record some things. Some things need to be put aside and kept for further use. There are so many functions, so many events, so many users, so many attendees, so many locations that some aren't even known. So we tend to get confused now. Like event organizers, they don't know what to use, don't know which place they should use, for their events. They don't know their capacity. They don't know whom to talk to in case they know, place. So I got all this information about the different categories, in our entertainment industry, and I realized that we need to record this information, this data. So, in the entertainment industry, I realized we have several database things that we could select from. We have evaluated different. We have evaluated different databases, including content management database, a ticketing and box office database, a talent management database, event event management system. So I chose event management system. It looked easier for me. So in our business case, this database shall have users, and the users we shall be having the event organizers, the attendees. And attendees, we have administrators as well. Yeah, so the function of database, it is just to create events, to sell tickets, attendee tracking, reservation management, and so forth. So it simplifies event planning and provides real-time data access. Yeah. So obviously, when you're creating something, you have to look at its risks and limitations. So the risks, obviously, we have technical risks like system shutdown, slow performance in case I create this database, in case and shuts down and people try to use it. You can see the chaos. Event organizers will lose track of whatever they are doing, of their events. Attendees won't even, they'll be biased. And we also have the risks of transition challenges. We have people who are used to attending their events from, anything they find from. We have organizers who have been organizing their events through books and, have been writing down everything. And when you give them something that it's not going to be easy for them to transition from one thing to another. Some of them are really hesitant to adopt digital tools. So, and the last risk we have the security. Security is really important. So some users may disrupt online ticketing pursuing because of obviously they want the money. Some of them may want to take the system down, for ransom. So much, yeah. So as I was making this database, I compared it with a reward system, which is called Eventbrite. I'm sure you've already seen it somewhere. You can look for it somewhere on Google. Eventbrite is a global event management platform where it provides ticket automation, analytics, and user management. User engagement tools. It inspired the key features of the EMS, like the event management system that I'm creating. The user dashboards, event ticketing solutions, and so much. So let's dive into our database design. Yeah. So for the entities and relationships, we have events, venues, organizers, attendees, tickets. So, well, we all need to see the ER diagram, of course. Let me look for it. God. Oh, no. Yeah, cut. So we shall be looking for the ER diagram. Just a moment. Hmm. Yeah, ER diagram. ER diagram. So these are entities. We have the events, the venues, the organizers, attendees, the bookings, the staff, equipment, payments, promotions. Obviously, this is a small database for campus project, but eventually maybe live. I mean, keep on increasing on it and make it larger, and probably enlarge on it. And these are the different attributes in the different entities: event number, event name, event date, event time. Yeah, so much and so forth. Then we have some of the few relationships. These are multiplicities. We have events. One event can have one venue, but one venue can hold many events. So let's have. Um, so for the ER diagram, this is what I came up with. Well, they all they're all connected in one way or the other. One is an entity to the other. Um, This, the venue has a hierarchy of event organizers, events, attendees of tickets ID, ticket, then events. Yeah, and that is it. And back to presentation. Yeah, from the database design, that is the ER diagram. So we have some few, let me say, SQL queries that we did. Retrieve all events, select from all events, and all that. So now, for let me show you a little sneak peek of how I created the database using WAMP. But when you start WAMP, there's this green icon. Right click on it, then I use MariaDB, so I'll go to the console. Okay, just a moment. Go to the console. Enter. The password is just obviously you've just said using WAMP, that is it. I'll log it for you. Then I already created a database, but let me show you a few things you can use to create a database. So you create. Let me first show you the databases I have in the. So you show databases. There's one that I created event management system, but for this case, let's first create a database. Show a few things that you can use using the SQL keys. Yeah, so you create database. This is a database that you've created, event management system. Yes, so let me show you the tables, show tables. And you can see the tables, and we have added a table of admin for to store the admins that can use it to manage the accounts, manage the system. Then we have the table of users. These ones are connected to the this table. So every user that logs in, names, their details are saved. Let me show you a few of them. Describe the table of attendees here. So yeah, the name on you have the name, the contact info, event number, the ticket number. So when an event is created, and an attendee wants to attend that event, they log into the system, they sign up and all that. I'll show you a few things that I created to make this more user friendly. Yeah. So let's go to our web browser. It can be, you know, Google Chrome, anything. So we have localhost event manager. We made for it an app called Event Manager. So let's go to the sign up. Sign up. Sign up.php. We use PHP to create the interface for it. So this is how you create an account. Yeah. So we have a username. Let's say Peace Master. For the email. It's the email. Create a password. So sign up. So this user email needs, so it's very sensitive, so everything is required. Sign up. Apparently you have already created the user, so it already exists, so let's just log in. So yes, Peace Master and password. When you log in, this is the dashboard of the user. Event he sees, he can see the events. You paid for, she or he paid for the one she want to attend different trending events. There's one of June 1st, Abala City Festival, and all those. You can even create events. So even for the manager, you can, when he logs out, you can also log in for the manager, the admin, so that the admin can also manage the account, the system, to see what he's doing, what the users are doing in his system. We have the password for the admin. So when admin logs in, this is how it looks like. You can have a total of 24 events, registered users, upcoming events, and so forth. Since it's a basic system, we are still in the works. It will get better. So yeah, that is my system. Thank you.